Good morning, Mary. I'm here for my follow-up appointment.
Good morning, John. Please, have a seat. How are you feeling today?
Much better, thank you. My back doesn't hurt anymore.
That's great news. Let me check your file. You started the physical therapy 2 weeks ago, right?
Yes, that's correct. I did all the exercises at home.
Perfect. Can you bend forward for me, please?
Sure. Like this?
Yes, good. And now to the side. Does it hurt?
No, not at all. I feel normal again.
Excellent. Your recovery is going very well. I'm happy with the results.
So, can I go back to work next Monday?
Let me see. Yes, you can return to work, but be careful with heavy lifting for now.
I understand. Should I continue the exercises?
Yes, please. Do them every morning for 1 more month. This will make your back stronger.
Okay, I will. Do I need another appointment?
Not necessary, but call me if you feel pain again.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mary. You really helped me.
You're welcome, John. Take care and good luck at work.